Hello everyone, today we'll be showing you certain essential tactic which you can use to leverage more on your backlinking strategy from your competitors. Now, first of all, how to identify your competitors? So you can simply identify your competitors from a range of variety tools in the marketplace, and you can also do some manual search with the keywords, and you can grab those informations in just one place. Now, some of the essential things which you can do, the first thing is you can head over to Ahrefs and put the link intersect, where you can put the names of all of your competitors one by one, hit the link intersect button, and this will show you all of the common backlinks that is built by all of your competitors in common. Now this leaves an opportunity for you to also go over those backlinks and try and acquire those for yourselves as well. So this will somewhat give you an extra leverage over your competitors. And also you can try and find which competitors are using which guest postings or some of the third-party press release websites. So for that to happen, simply perform the Google operation or search operators as you can see on the screen. By doing that, you can identify in which guest posting websites or in which press release websites your competitors are building, and then you can straight away go and reach out to them, and you can also build your link as well. This is a very simple technique, but this might help you to be in pace with your competitors, and you can head over the game and can get an edge over your competition. Thanks for watching.